Hey, Dana, and welcome to my vlog. And this is what's new. And I've been looking over the Adsense now that I've made my 1,000 subscribers. I've had 4,000 watch minutes for a year, 2 years now. That's never been my problem. It was my subscriber base. I need to kind of correct what I was saying in my last video. I didn't get my 200 subscribers in 1 month. When the email went out in February saying that they were changing the partner program and you needed the 1,000 subscribers, I was 200 subscribers short then. I've gotten over 2,000 or 200 subscribers in the past 2 months, not in a month. I kind of had a brain freeze on that one because I wasn't thinking. But anyway, I got back in here, and what you do is you go to your channel, and then you can find out your status. And back up. Go back to, and I've been a member since November 25 of 13. So that'll tell you how long it's taken me to get 1,000 subscribers. And when you're looking at it, you've gone to your channel setting, and then click on monetization. And monetization, account status, monetization is not enabled. You can apply for monetization at any time to be reviewed. All channels must have, your 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. This requirement allows us to properly evaluate new channels and help protect the community. 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months. So I'm taking that as you've got to have a total of 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months. So the minute you get 4,000 watch minutes, will start your 12-month evaluation, I'm thinking. That's the way I understand it. At least 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months. So over a 12-month period, you have to have a total of 4,000 watch hours. So as you might, depending on how many watch hours you have, when you get 12 months, then you'll be qualified here. So what I'm looking at right now, I've got a green check mark for partner program terms accepted and AdSense requested. So I'm taking it that means it's automatic and that I am waiting. By telling us what type of ads to run, you could start earning money as soon as your channel is approved. Get reviewed. Your channel is automatically reviewed to make sure it complies with YouTube's partner program, and we'll email you a decision usually within a week. So I didn't know this, and I didn't get any messages. I hit 1,000 subscribers. Let's see, when was it? 21st, the 21st, and we're the 24th now. So I'm going to hit the start here and see what happens. Okay, set monetization program. Monetization, all existing and future videos. Yes. You could start earning automatically as soon as your channel is approved. By clicking Save, you confirm that monetization of your channels is subject to YouTube monetization policies. Yes. So let's go with, you could start earning money automatically as soon as your channel is approved. By clicking save, you confirm that monetization of your video is subject to YouTube monetization policy. Yes. Okay. I just hit save. Okay. All right. And that just changed. That gave me a third check mark. And as you can see below, I didn't know this until now. I just happened to go in and check this. Alright, preferences channel. Under new review, you've reached 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. Great. Nice job. Your channel is now being reviewed to make sure it complies with the YouTube Partner Program terms and our company guidelines. We'll email you a decision, usually within a week. Jesus, I've already lost a week because I didn't know about this. So, if you're watching it, here we go. Watch hours in the previous 12 months, 20,083. So, I got a green check. Subscribers, I have 103. Or 103. 1,003. So there we are. I guess I gotta wait for my email. And I need a level. But channel is now under review. So it's not automatic. So you're gonna have to pay attention when you reach your 1,000. Go to your channel. Go into your channel. Go into your monetization and see where you stand, okay? So if you've got YouTube Partner Program, terms accepted, AdSense requested, then you're going to have to push start, okay? So I didn't know that, and I just found out. So we all learned something just a minute ago. So there you go. Get in. If you're at 1,000 and you're watching this and nothing's happened, that's why. You got to go to your channel, get into your monetization, and click your start, and then get yourself set up. Because I didn't know that. I just got curious. And went in and had a look. And again, I got approved, or I got my first 1,000. Well, the funny thing about this is, I got my 1,000 the night of the 21st, and that was Mr. Garcia. Mr. Garcia, if you're watching this, get in touch with me. I got something for you, all right? He was my 1,000th. The next day, I lost 3 subscribers and dropped to 99. And that's just because that's the people coming in, you're not seeing who they are. And I dropped down 1 to 99, 999. I said, oh, great. So now I'm out of it again. And then the next day, I shot to 1,002. And I got another subscriber today. So now I'm going with 1,003 by, when I'm clicking this, as you can see. But that was, it's because you're going to lose people regardless. On a day in, day out, over the 24 hours. So this nice thing about this is a 24-hour business. You're getting subscribers 24 hours over a 24-hour period. But there you go. I learned something today, and if I hadn't thought about it, it'd be 3 weeks down the road, and I'm not hearing anything, and that's why. So anyway, you might be down 3 weeks now and not hear anything. That's why. Get into your channel and hit your monetization and click start. So anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, and if you're new, subscribe. And I'll catch you on the next Dana Crosby's Vlogs.